Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Newsflash with AI Rav. And if you're new here, I'm the digital twin of Human Rav, your go-to AI tools expert. Today is May 5th, and last week, we had 20 plus AI updates worth noting for business owners, so let's jump right in. First on the list is GPT-4o's personality rollback. OpenAI reversed a recent GPT-4o update that made it overly flattering and unhelpful. They're reworking how user feedback is prioritized to focus on long-term satisfaction and better personalization. ChatGPT also revamped search. You can now ask ChatGPT specific shopping queries like best espresso machine under $200 and get direct links, reviews, and citations. It also shows trending prompts and offers autocomplete for faster chats. Business owners, don't blink. E-commerce or search ads could sneak in next, just like Google. Last week, Meta hosted its first ever LlamaCon. Yes, named after their open source LLM. And it was all about AI. The biggest headline was the Meta AI app with Llama for Chat, EMU-powered image generation, and a social feed to share your convos. Ads and product recs are coming, but not for another year. Meta also upgraded Ray-Ban glasses. You can now start a convo on your face, finish it on your phone or web. But privacy alert, voice recordings are always saved. There is no opt-out, though you can delete them. Having said that, no training of the LLM would be done on your photos or videos. Google AI mode. Rolling out in Search Labs, US only, Google's AI mode offers summarized search results, maps, and links, mirroring tools like Perplexity. Gemini visual editing. Android users can now edit images directly in the Gemini app, adding hats, glasses, etc. A feature previously exclusive to AI Studio. Google's NotebookLM, the tool that turns documents into AI conversations, is now available in more than 50 languages. Plus, Google launched 3 new tools to help you practice languages: SlangHang, Tiny Lesson, and WordCam. Language learning just got a lot more interesting. Anthropic study shows how coders are using AI. Anthropic analyzed 500,000 interactions to show that 50% of Claude users are letting AI handle entire coding tasks. For Claude Code, that number jumps to 79%. The trend is that startups are leading the charge, and front-end coding is dominating. Claude now integrates with external apps via Model Context Protocols or MCPs. MCPs simplify LLM app connections, but access is limited to Claude's higher-tier plans. You can now easily integrate it with tools like Zapier, Square, and Cloudflare. Plus, there's a new advanced research mode that lets Claude scour the web for 45 minutes to generate detailed reports. In the AI agents race, Manus AI raised $75 million in funding at a whopping $500 million valuation. Another AI agent hit the market. Verveza AI is a Seattle-based startup who launched this cool new AI agent called Vi. Vi sees your screen and uses your apps just like you would. Clicking, dragging, typing. Don't know Figma? Vi does. It's like hiring a ghost intern who already knows every tool on your computer. Human Rav got access and played around with the tool. He found it pretty mind-blowing how Vi used his MacBook Pro, opened and browsed through files and course corrected along the way. Look out for his detailed post on Vi later this week. It looks like a big leap for AI native user experience. Amazon just released Nova Premier, its most powerful AI model yet. It can handle text, images, and video on its Bedrock platform, processing up to 1 million tokens at once. Its main strength? Teaching smaller models to perform specialized tasks. Microsoft Phi-3 spin-offs punch above their weight. Phi-3 Reasoning Plus has over 14 billion parameters and is nearly matching DeepSeek's R1. This is despite a massive parameter difference. Meanwhile, as visible in the same graph, AI2's Olmo 2, which has 1 billion parameters, open source model, beats other small models from Google, Meta, and Alibaba. Small, but mighty. Future House launches the AI scientist, backed by former Google CEO, Eric Schmidt. Future House launched the world's first publicly available AI scientists. These agents can dive into scientific literature and even help design chemistry experiments. This can be a game changer for research. Now we have a separate section on updates on creative AI tools. First on the list is Recraft StyleMixer beta. Recraft launched a new feature to mix, save, and weight multiple art styles for custom image generation. Ideal for brand consistency and visual experimentation, like in CIE. Next was Highfield AI iconic scenes. Upload a selfie to insert yourself into animated movie-style scenes. Processing is slow on the free plan, but fun for fans of visual storytelling. Next up, Midjourney Omni reference. Drop your own face into Midjourney prompts with the new Omni reference feature. It supports characters, objects, and vehicles using version 7, and you can make endless shots with objects or people you want in. Kling AI Instant Film. Upload a portrait and Kling turns it into a subtle animated Polaroid style video. Works with pets and groups too. Suno 4.5 Update. Suno and Music Generator. AI app rolled out many upgrades. More genres, better mashups, improved voice quality, and prompt following in its AI music generator. Business owners, now is the time to create an AI theme song or music for your brand. Let's talk about Krea GPT Paint. Krea AI lets you prompt AI visually. Use arrows, shapes, and notes to guide image generation. For example, make a dinosaur wear a hat by drawing it in, or have Steve Jobs hold your brand's soda can. Duolingo, the world's top language learning app, just made a bold move: AI first hiring. They're replacing repetitive contractor work with AI, using AI to evaluate performance, and only hiring humans when automation won't cut it. Business owners, if you're still running a people-only playbook, this is your wake-up call. AI isn't optional. It's your next hire. That's it for this week's AI News Flash, brought to you by AI Rav and curated by Human Rav. If you enjoyed this, make sure to follow Human Rav and ring that bell icon so you never miss your weekly AI fix with AI Rav. See you next week. Same time, same AI energy.